Welcome to the blizzard of 2018-2019. As you can see, I got a 6-foot ladder there for reference. Here's my Dakota. That has 18-inch rims on it. So you can take a guess on how high that is. Look at that tree. See, it's supposed to be standing like that branches. But as you can see, my truck has its own little carport by Mother Nature. I do not build them, I do not sell them. That's just Mother Nature at its finest work. Look at them poor trees. They're supposed to be standing too. Just fell right over. Supposed to be all standing up. This is my privacy fence and it's falling over. So much for that, huh? I don't think that tree will ever be the same. Now, to dig the truck out of there, I'm probably gonna have to knock a bunch of snow off that fucking tree and dig the truck out some more. First of all, I gotta dig my way out. Yeah, it's going up to the roof. This is awesome. Should I just get in the truck, put it in 4 low and back out, guys? What do you think?